Hey guys, what's up? My name is Susie.Kabloozy, and I was one of the winners at Beauty Masterminds, so I am going to get a free wig and install by Easy Breezy.
What's going on, guys? This is Easy Breezy, and we have a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, DorHair, for sending us this beautiful deep wave lace front wig. So, as my model said, she attended my Beauty Mastermind event in Atlanta, Georgia, and out of 30 girls, 2 girls won free hair, and she was one of them. So she was so excited, and we went ahead and scheduled her appointment a few weeks later, and here she is. And make sure you guys stay tuned and look out for the next Beauty Mastermind event because we could be in your city. So right now, I'm just gluing on her stocking cap. Now I'm going to take some concealer that I had and just dab the stocking cap a little bit so it matches her complexion better. If the stocking cap is way too light, then you'll immediately be able to see it under the lace, and you won't like that. Alright, so now that that's looking better, now we can go ahead and fit the wig on and cut the excess lace off. Now I'm going to take my eyeliner pencil and trace the shape of the hairline. Alright, let's push that back and get ready to glue. So, as you're applying the glue, make sure you stay at least ½ an inch away from your client's natural hairline. Now I'm going to take the back of my tweezers and use that as like a spatula to spread the glue. Let's wait for that first layer to turn clear, and then when that dries, then we can go ahead and add our second coat. Alright, let's concentrate. Time to put this lace down. Once it's perfect, now I can go ahead and give it a good press. Then I'm going to cut the excess lace off. Now to get rid of that line, I'm going to take some sea breeze with some cotton and just wipe it off. Alright, so for the style, we're just doing a wet and wavy kind of free part type of style. So I'm not going to do a middle part or a side part. I'm just going to wet it down at our tropical root setting foam and do our baby hair. For the baby hair, I'm going to start by parting out a thin row of hair in the front. Alright, once that's out, then I can cut it about 1 inch all the way around. Now I'm going to use my tropical root setting foam to style the baby hair. And to do this, I'm using my comb and smooth method. Comb with your right hand and smooth with your left. So I'm going to wrap her up and sit her under the dryer for about 10 minutes. Oh, and she's done. Let's see what these baby hairs look like. So that completes this install, and that was a really quick wet and wavy look. Really cute, really simple. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you're not already and turn on your notifications. Ever since I started my YouTube channel, it's like so many opportunities have just been coming my way. It's like, why didn't I do this a long time ago? Because I thought I was losing something by showing girls how to do a frontal. Who am I?
I am currently at Breezie's Galaxy Girl seminar we have going on. The Beauty Masterminds is great. It's better than I thought it would be. I get to network with people, but we're also getting questions answered. So it's definitely a class you don't want to miss. So you get way much more than you think you'll get.
We're at the Beauty Masterminds networking event. It's a networking event about people that have businesses. It's tips of the trade you're not going to find it anywhere else but here. We have Erica here, and tell us a little bit about your business.
I have a cleaning business here in Atlanta. This event actually helps me a lot. I went to the last event, and she helped me on trying to be consistent, trying to be more like showing before and after.
I'm having so much fun today at the Beauty Mastermind with Breezie. Okay, we've been talking just a lot about how to be a business owner even if you're not in the hair industry. I'm a lash tech myself, and I gained a lot of knowledge just about how to push through, to keep going, stay motivated.
I'm here at the Easy Breezy Women Empowerment, and it is amazing, and I'll definitely be back for the next event.
I'm here to network with people. I'm from Pittsburgh, and I plan on moving to Atlanta. I just want to network with different people down here and get more and more advice to help everyone become successful.
Okay, we're the red crew. All right. Your head, your tail. Let's get it. Tail! Every cosmetology test is made out of 2 parts of what else says.
Theory and practice.
What color cancels out green?
What color cancels out? We can't like yellow.
What color does the product Shimmer Lights cancel?
Brassy. The orange brassy.
All right, you ready? You ready? What color does the product Shimmer Lights cancel?
Say blonde.
What is the product Color Oops used for?
To correct the mistake.
What day do stylists normally take off?
Sunday.
What 2 payroll systems can a salon be based upon?
POS.
What does that mean?
Commission, or you can pay blueprint.
What is a man's hairpiece formerly called? to that. What inch hair did Nicki Minaj bring back into style? 40, 50. Oh, which one? 40. The winner of the Beauty Mastermind. Come on. It's the winner. It's the winner. This is Breezie, and we just wrapped up the very first Beauty Mastermind event. If you didn't make it to this one, make sure you catch us next time. See y'all later.